2013, I turned 15 and got a job at a bakery. I'm not going to say its name, but for the purpose of this video, let's call it Not Baker's Delight, or NBD for short, and I hope that you get the subtextual reference of where I worked. So I worked one shift a week on a Monday night every week, and every now and then I'd take a weekend shift or fill in for someone else's shift. It was a good job. It was simple work, like easy, and it was a good entry-level job, and I was getting paid. That was like the main thing. I was getting my paychecks and loving it, but it didn't take long for me to notice that I was paying tax. So I was like, wait, hold up, NBD. Why are you giving the Australian government my money? Like, I'm below the threshold, which is $18,200. I make about $18 an hour, no, like $15 an hour. There's no way I'm going to meet that threshold within the financial year. Give me back my money. So I asked my dad about it before I went off at my boss. He was like, oh, that's fine. They probably do it to everyone. They just tax, like, is just the thing that goes through all the time. Like, happens to all of us. We'll just do your tax return at the end of the year. So it's like, okay, that's chill. I can wait till the end of the financial year and I'll get my money back. But I never did. I have not yet got that money back, because while I was in Costa Rica in December, my friend got a Facebook message from another friend back in Australia saying the bakery Alex was working at kind of shut down because they're changing the management, so she doesn't have a job. I'm like, that's fine, I'll sort it when I get back and I can get another job. That's another thing I haven't done yet. And when I got back to Australia, I tried to get in touch with my boss to get a reference so I could put it in my CV. The number had been disconnected, so I was like, oh, that's okay, it was only 6 months, I can leave it out of my CV, I'll still get another job. Like, it's not a horrible CV, it's just kind of limited. So I left it and decided I'd focus on the tax return instead, because like I can get some money back. Like, it's not too hard, surely. I know people complain about the tax return, but I had only been working there for 6 months. All I was doing was claiming that I hadn't met the tax paid threshold, so that kind of automatically means I get my money back. I didn't have to put in receipts or anything, so it's going to be easy. So I asked my dad to help me out, because I'd never done it before. Like, I say it would be easy, but I kind of needed some help. And he said, oh, it's like, just wait till the end of July, wait till the end of the financial year, because this was December and January. So I was like, okay, I can wait 6 more months. It's not that bad, I'll get money at the end of it, it's fine. So I waited, and I reminded him then, and he's like, Alex, I've got so much stuff to do, we can just wait till next year. And it's like, oh yeah, you can file a tax return later on. I believed him because he's a lawyer and stuff. So I've reminded him every July since, and it's now like 3 years that the Australian government has had my $150 and I haven't. And I was like, this is getting ridiculous. But Dad's like, it's probably not worth it. And that annoyed me, because he has a job, he has a steady income, he probably, like, I don't. To him, 150 probably isn't that much, like, but to me, that's a lot of money. So can we please do my tax return, Dad, because I have hardly anything in my bank account, and the 150 would really help me out, and we'll get some good interest and stuff. So he's like, okay, do you have the group certificate? And I didn't, because my boss didn't give me one. So I lost $150 from the Australian government because my old boss at NBD disconnected her number and didn't give me a group certificate or a pay-as-you-go slip, PAYG, whatever, however you shorten it. But I wasn't giving up just yet, because this is $150. So I asked if there was any other way to get a payee. And he's like, yeah, probably. Yeah, there is actually, but it's hard. But because he kind of told me earlier that he'd do my tax return and didn't, I didn't really trust it. So I looked into it, and the internet sent me to the Australian Taxation Office's website, where it said you can use pay slips, bank statements and timesheets instead of a payee. So I might just get my money back if I spend the time on getting my stuff from the filing cabinet in the bank. And yeah, I probably won't ever get my money back. It's still effort. I'm a lazy ass. That money is lost.